following message is transmitted at the request of the Queens Police Department. At 9:20 a.m., the police in Queens had received several 911 calls that a large American Airlines jet had entered a dive and crashed into a residential home in Queens, New York. This jet is known to be American Airlines Flight 587, an Airbus of 300 that was carrying several hundred passengers aboard. Currently, a massive amount of fire has been released from the jet fuel explosion and has burned down several nearby homes in Queens. We advise everyone within half-a-mile radius of this fire to lock doors and windows as soon as possible. Anyone in Kings or Queens are advised to not travel for the next couple of hours as the fire department will be attempting to put out the fire and assist those in need. At this time, the crash of this aircraft is known to be an accident. This is a very dangerous situation and appropriate and serious action should be taken. Stay tuned to local media outlets on this dangerous situation.
Amen is taped before a live studio audience.